The Google TV app on your Android phone is a sort of a central hub for your TV watching, where you can collect all your streaming services under one app and make it easier to find content and maintain a watch list across all the different streaming services. When you open Google TV for the first time, it'll give you a list of services like this, and you can check the ones that you're currently using. This is kind of nice because, first of all, there's just about 1 million streaming services available these days, and a lot of users are either subscribing to multiple services at the same time, or they might be regularly switching from one provider to another. Sometimes I want to watch a show, but I can't remember which app has that show or movie, and that's where an app like Google TV can help you. You just come here, search for your show, and it'll tell you which platform has it. It'll also show you a bunch of recommendations, and a lot of these will come from services you're not currently subscribed to, which I'm not a big fan of. Google TV itself also have some free content to watch, but not a ton. So this app is basically good for locating what you want to watch, and you can also build a universal watch list of stuff you'll want to watch next and have it cover all your different streaming services. It can also be good for discovering new stuff, and if you tap the little floating button on the bottom right, you can also connect your phone to a nearby TV and use the phone screen as a large TV remote. And speaking of TV, besides the app we're using here, Google has another Google TV, which is their smart TV platform that shares the identical name with this Android app. Super confusing, I know. It's basically the software that runs on many modern TVs and streaming devices, similar to Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV. So when talking about Google TV, it might refer to the actual thing running on a television, or it might refer to the app you use on an Android phone. Anyways, that's the Google TV app on your Android phone. Nothing mind-blowing, but it can be kind of handy sometimes, depending on how much content you consume and how many apps you're bouncing between. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks all. Until next time.